Good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions, Market Insider TV. This is our opening TV commentary on Friday. It's September the 19th. Good morning, everyone. Let's take a deep dive into the markets. We'll talk about trades here and what the overnight markets have done. Any news that's affecting prices early this morning. I will be doing RFD TV this morning, about 8:15 Central Time. And hope you have a chance to tune in for that. We'll be talking all the grain and livestock markets. Dollar index is firmer here this morning, while nat gas is lower. Crude oil is a little bit softer. Stock market had a good day yesterday. We're closing at new all-time highs, and we're higher again this morning. Gold, silver are firmer. Corn up 1 3/4. Beans up 3. And the wheat futures are just fractionally lower as we hit the closing bell at 7:45. So let's talk about markets in here. Follow us on Twitter, Midwest Markets, and Brian Hoops. We provide a lot of information for you, and a lot of it gets sent out on Twitter. We also text out information directly to our clients, and that might be a little bit faster and maybe a little bit more efficient for some of your users if you have a cell phone and are not on it all the time. If you're checking it just when you get a text message, you can go to our website and sign up for our text message at MidwestMarketSolutions.com. All right, harvest delays could be noted again for the Midwest. Heavy rains are in the forecast, especially in southern plains areas where they're planting winter wheat and trying to harvest. Upper Midwest could receive some rainfall and additional delays as well. So Brooke Rollins, Secretary of Ag, just tweeted out this morning that Taiwan has committed to $10 billion in purchases of U.S. ag products over the next 4 years. That includes corn, soybeans, beef, and wheat. I don't know that this is a game changer. I think they bought over $3 billion last year alone in U.S. ag products. So to commit to $10 billion over 4 years, it seems like almost a wash. She classified it in her tweet as a game changer. I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say this is a positive step, but I don't know that it's a game changer like she wants to say that it was. But it is something for the markets here to talk about. Grain markets are supported by stronger technicals, as well as news that President Trump and Chinese President Xi will be speaking this morning in hopes for a trade agreement. I believe they are speaking as we record this broadcast. I believe they did start already a little bit earlier this morning and are talking right now. Now, of course, the trade hopes we'll see some sort of a trade agreement with China and Japan. I don't know that that is going to be the case. China, especially to buy U.S. ag products. I don't know that that is going to be the case. Even with a positive phone call today, I don't think we're going to see China step in and start buying lots of U.S. Product. Another thing that's giving us support in the markets here is yields coming in below expectations for corn and soybeans, especially if you have southern rust. Where that southern rust has been noted, yields are very poor. Even if you've sprayed fungicide for these, it helps, but it doesn't catch all of the yield loss. And it seems to be pretty prevalent this year. U.S. farmers are kind of in the driver's seat as far as yield information right now. From the standpoint, they are the first to know if these yields are better or worse than what they had last year or what they have on an average. And so far, a lot of producers saying this is far below expectations and even worse than last year in many cases. The IGC has raised its forecast for global wheat production by a whopping 8 million tons up to 819. And this is what we've been concerned about and have been talking about. Improved outlooks for Australia, Russia, and you can include the Ukraine in there as well as Canada, all seeing better yield potential for wheat this year. That means more wheat in the world competition and less demand for U.S. wheat. And that's why wheat is trading at $5 and why we think it has limited upside here in the next several months. Next cattle and feed report comes out this afternoon at 2 o'clock Central Time. The Bloomberg survey has estimates calling for 99.2%, placements at 91.5%, marketings at 87.0%. Overall, it looks to be a friendly report with this placement numbers the highlight, coming in 8 to 10% less than a year ago. We did see more cash cattle trade yesterday at 236 in the north and 370 dress, so that's $1 to $5 softer. The south saw trade at 240. That's going to be steady with a week ago and $1 higher than earlier in the week trade. That helped us to rally late yesterday and should be a little bit supportive this morning. So I don't think we sell off this morning. I think we find some more support off of this cash trade, which is coming in a little bit better than expected. Have a great day, everyone. Good luck and good trading. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets. We will talk to you soon.